Hello guys, I am Simone, I am a UX UI designer, and tonight I'm here to explain you how works the prototype that I did of my application, the Heart Insight, and to explain you what is the Heart Insight, what is the purpose of this app. So I create the Heart Insight for all that creative minds who never found a place to improve their creativity with study, with social networks, and with sharing information with experts. And that's exactly what my app do. So let's see my prototype. We have here the welcome screen, so let's start. And here we found the onboarding. So choose the perfect art course for you. Book expert video call based on your schedule, and find friends. This is my favorite feature of my application. There is an art community you can join, you can find new friends, you can join events, you can ask about stuff you don't understand about the course, and so on. I always thought that social networking is really important in every field of life. So we can sign up. Yep, and we find the home page. In the home page we can find the advertisement, some monthly payment to have some advantages on the application, and then we have the categories of the courses we can follow. So for example, we want to follow an ink drawing course, but we don't know which one, so we can check all of them, or we can put the keywords in the search bar. So for example, we choose the illustration with ink and nib of Philip Harris. I don't know who is Philip Harris. I just put it to make like my prototype. So here you can find a trailer of the course, the level that you need to follow it, the language, the subtitles for accessibility, the number of lesson, duration, and so on. So you can buy, and will be like really cheap, as we can see from the price of the course. So this is all the course parts. So we can come back to the home page. The second feature that my app has is the Find Expert feature, in which you can chat or book a call with an expert of a field that we want to study. For example, I want to study lettering with Eloisa. We can book a call with her. So plan a meeting, and we can share like a video call of like 1 hour, in which we have like doubts, or she can give us some advices. So I consider it a really good feature. So we can confirm the call and blah blah. So we are done. Then we have my favorite feature, that is the Heart community. This is a social network in which we can share posts, we can see what people share with us. There are some groups we can join, and so on. And we can also add friends and chat with them. In fact, we have the message part, in which we have all our contacts. For example, here there is me, because the profile you can see is from this girl, Adriana, from Poland, who would like to study sculptures. So she has chat with me, for example. And yeah, so that's it. All these features that I was putting in my application was like generated by a lot of interviews that I did to understand the user need, what a user expect from a learning app, from an expert app. In the beginning, I wanted just to put courses, but after I understood that what people feel frustration on the regular ones is that they don't have any real contact with people. For this reason, I put contact with teachers and contact with other people. So that's it. I hope you enjoy my application. I hope in the future it will be a real application, and we can like meet there. So cheers, and see you next one.